Welcome back, auto enthusiasts, to Crazy Auto Premiere. Today, we're exploring the 2025 Toyota bZ4X, Toyota's all-electric SUV. This EV comes packed with futuristic features, updated trims, and a sporty new nightshade edition. But how does it measure up in speed, braking dimensions, and overall performance? And how does it fare against rivals like the 2026 Hyundai Ioniq 9 and 2026 Kia Tasman? Buckle up as we break it all down topic by topic. Let's dive in. The 2025 Toyota bZ4X isn't just about comfort. It brings decent performance to the table. Top speed, capped at 99 miles per hour, good for an EV in its class but slower than the Hyundai Ioniq 9, which hits 115 miles per hour. 0 to 100 miles per hour, achieved in approximately 16.5 seconds with the EWD version. While respectable, it's slower than the 2026 Kia Tasman with its turbocharged electric drivetrain. Braking from 60 miles per hour to a full stop takes just 125 feet, on par with most competitors, thanks to regenerative braking and solid disc brakes. The bZ4X strikes a balance between compactness and functionality. Let's talk dimensions. Length, 184.6 inches. Width, 73.2 inches. Height, 65.0 inches. Wheelbase, 112.2 inches. This generous wheelbase ensures a spacious interior for passengers. Ground clearance, 8.1 inches, giving it an edge for light off-roading compared to the more road-focused Hyundai Ioniq 9. The sleek aerodynamic lines, two-tone color options, and black accents on the Nightshade Edition give the bZ4X a futuristic vibe. But when placed next to the bolder Kia Tasman, it feels less adventurous. Let's move to the chassis. Built on Toyota's e-TNGA platform, shared with Subaru, the bZ4X delivers. Chassis type: high-strength steel with a low center of gravity due to the underfloor battery placement. Suspension: McPherson strut front suspension and multi-link rear suspension ensure a smooth ride. Turning radius: a compact 36.1 feet, making city maneuvering a breeze. While the ride is comfortable, it's not as sporty as the 2025 Toyota GR86 we reviewed earlier. The bZ4X is clearly built for families and daily commuting rather than spirited driving. Powering the bZ4X are two options. A single-motor front-wheel drive version with 201 horsepower. A dual-motor all-wheel drive version with 215 horsepower and 248 pounds-ft of torque. While the EWD offers better traction on slippery roads, its acceleration lags behind competitors. The EWD setup also slightly reduces range, bringing it down to 228 miles compared to the FWD's 252 miles. Inside, the bZ4X offers a comfortable experience. Passenger volume, 112 cubic feet, one of the roomiest in its segment. Cargo space, 27.7 cubic feet behind the rear seats, expandable to 56.8 cubic feet with seats folded. While spacious, it lacks a frunk feature present in rivals like the 2026 Kia Tasman. The dashboard layout, though modern, could be more user-friendly. Toyota always delivers on safety, and the bZ4X is no exception. Equipped with the Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 suite, it includes pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, dynamic radar cruise control, lane tracing assist. The optional traffic jam assist is new for 2025 and adds semi-autonomous driving capabilities. Compared to the Ford Everest and Hyundai Ioniq 9, Toyota's safety features are more refined but lack the advanced self-driving tech of Tesla's offerings. So, where does the 2025 Toyota bZ4X fit in the growing EV landscape? It's a well-rounded package for those prioritizing comfort, safety, and affordability. However, its range and top speed leave room for improvement, especially when compared to the likes of the 2026 Hyundai Ioniq 9 and Kia Tasman. For city dwellers, the bZ4X is a practical, stylish choice. But if you're looking for long-range capability or raw power, you might want to explore other options. Thanks for watching Crazy Auto Premiere. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews. Tell us in the comments, is the bZ4X your next Eve, or is another model stealing your attention? See you next time, and stay charged. Let me know if you'd like further refinements.